Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, this is a very special edition because I have my grandpa who's my guest chef today. So what we're going to be making?
Beef stroganoff.
Yeah, this is actually a recipe that my grandma actually made, but unfortunately she passed away. But thankfully, he still knows the recipe, so we're going to get to it. Let's get started. So I just cut up like a whole bunch of steak into like little pieces, and you just have to coat them in the flour. Just toss all the steak pieces onto the plate.
Yes.
Then you just knead it to make sure the steak is nicely coated.
Just fill the bottom with some floured steak.
Then you toss it in a pan with.
And we're just going to brown this. We use approximately 2 pounds of meat. We like the meat.
Okay, that's what you have to do.
Then we have to just brown this here, and then we're going to put the consomme in. We're going to use 3 cans of Campbell's consomme and 1 can of French onion.
Okay. You see, guys, that's what you have to do.
And there is the consomme.
Okay.
And do we have to turn these?
Yeah, you can use a wooden spoon.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We just want to brown these a little bit. Then we're going to need a can opener.
So how much do we have to cook the steak?
How long we got it? We're just going to brown it. Then we're going to put the consomme in and the soup. And then we're going to put it in the oven. And we're going to cook it till it's tender. Probably 1.5 to 2 hours.
Okay. So we'll finish we'll wait till it's brown, then we'll come back to you. You see, my grandpa is now adding a bit more steak to the pan.
Sit.
Oh, my dog. He is so obsessed with steak.
He likes the oven too.
Now, can you tell me why we have to cook the steak with the flour?
Pardon me?
Can you tell me why we have to put the flour on the steak?
Well, it holds the juices in.
Okay.
We put in a little onion powder.
Now, how much garlic powder do we need?
Well, we just need we don't measure by tablespoons or anything. We just give it a light.
Oh, like a teaspoon or so?
Pardon me?
Like a teaspoon?
Like maybe not quite that much, but yeah, it'll end up to maybe half. We don't want it too much.
Yeah, because we don't want a whole lot of garlic paper in here.
Now we're going to open the consomme. We want to set the oven for 350.
Okay.
I gotta clean that up.
So, season with salt.
half a tablespoon, if that, or just a sprinkle
Okay.
of the two.
Half a tablespoon?
And I do it a sprinkle, just over the top. That you don't need that much in there.
Okay.
Did you turn? Usually you put mushrooms in there, but you don't like mushrooms.
No, I don't. Now, usually the mushrooms are optional. You guys can actually put mushrooms in, but for me, I don't want mushrooms. But if you guys want to add mushrooms, that's fine.
Butter.
Alright. And then, what's next?
The French onion soup.
French onion soup.
Had 3 cans of
How many cans?
3 cans of consomme, beef consomme.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be yummy.
Just a little bit of water in there.
So 1 can of French onion soup.
3 cans of consomme, beef consomme. Oh, this is going to be a lot of beef steak in here.
Yeah.
Do we have a thing to put this on?
So now you put this in the pot in the oven at 350 for about 1.5 to 2 hours until the steak is tender. Alright, now it's time to fold the sour cream. Even my dog is looking forward to the sour cream. Oh yeah, definitely use a spoon.
You take and you fold this in.
Alright, you put the entire packet of egg noodles in there, and then once that's done, we're ready to serve. Now, you can also have this over rice. Is that correct? Can you also have this over rice?
Over rice? Yes. You could even,
Yeah, you guys could do that, but I would much rather have it over egg noodles.
or you could even put it over mashed potatoes.
Exactly. So, we'll go right to the noodles are done, and then we'll be ready to serve.
I'm going to suck that off. I'll get that paper. Mason had robotics. I wasn't too far from there. Yeah.
You don't have to go get a paper.
Oh, no, I want you to take a look.
There you go. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that fun cooking collaboration with my grandpa. As you can see. Oh, this is absolutely my most favorite recipe that my grandma used to make, and it just scrumptious. Absolutely scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next one for a new recipe. Peace out.